Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a topic that many of us have faced: heartbreak. If you've recently gone through a breakup, you might be feeling lost, confused, or even defeated. But what if I told you there's a way to transform that pain into power? Today we're discussing how to become the man she regrets leaving by embracing principles of masculinity and stoicism. 1. Acknowledging the pain. First things first, let's acknowledge the pain. Heartbreak is real, and it hurts deeply. Understanding that feeling this way is a natural part of the human experience is crucial. Stoicism teaches us that suffering is an unavoidable part of life, but it's how we respond to that suffering that matters. Marcus Aurelius, a Stoic philosopher, once said, "The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way." Instead of avoiding your feelings, confront them. This can mean allowing yourself to grieve, whether that's through journaling, talking to a friend, or even seeking professional counseling if you need it. When you write down your emotions, try to express not just the pain, but also what you learned from the relationship. This can help you gain clarity and facilitate healing. Consider creating a list of what you valued in the relationship and what you wish had been different. This reflection allows you to process your feelings constructively. 2. Self-improvement. Now, let's talk about self-improvement. This is your time to focus on becoming the best version of yourself. Start with your physical health. Consider creating a workout routine that you enjoy, whether that's weightlifting, running, martial arts, or joining a local sports team. Exercise not only boosts your physical appearance, but is also crucial for your mental health. Research shows that physical activity can reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression by releasing endorphins. Next, invest in your mind. Learning new skills or picking up hobbies can be incredibly rewarding. Consider taking an online course in something that interests you, whether it's coding, graphic design, or creative writing. Websites like Coursera, Udemy, or Skillshare offer numerous courses that can help you gain valuable skills. This engagement stimulates your brain, keeps you focused, and fosters a sense of achievement. Reflect on who you are and who you want to become. Create a vision board or write down your long-term and short-term goals. Visualizing your aspirations can motivate you to take action. For example, if you aspire to advance in your career, think about what skills you need to develop or how you can network more effectively. Consider seeking mentorship from someone in your desired field. They can offer invaluable insights and guidance. 3. Building emotional resilience. Next, let's discuss emotional resilience. This involves learning to manage and control your reactions, especially in the face of negative emotions. When feelings of sadness or anger arise, take a moment to breathe and reflect. Consider techniques such as deep breathing exercises, progressive muscle relaxation, or visualization to help you manage your emotions. Apps like Calm and Insight Timer can guide you through mindfulness and meditation practices. Mindfulness meditation can be transformative in this regard. Start with just 5 minutes a day. Focus on your breath, observe your thoughts without judgment, and cultivate a sense of inner peace. Over time, you'll find that you respond to challenges with greater clarity and strength rather than reacting impulsively. This practice can also help you develop empathy, which is essential for healthy relationships. 4. Focusing on your goals. Redirect that energy into your goals. Whether it's your career, personal projects, or passions, channel your pain into productivity. Set clear, actionable goals and create a structured plan to achieve them. Use tools like to-do lists, digital planners, or project management apps like Trello or Asana to keep track of your progress. Breaking these goals into smaller, manageable tasks will make them feel less daunting and more achievable. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. This could be as simple as treating yourself to a nice meal or taking a day off to relax and recharge. As you start achieving these goals, you'll gain confidence and a renewed sense of purpose, qualities that are not only attractive, but also essential for your personal development. Consider also setting a goal review every month. This involves reflecting on what you've accomplished, what challenges you faced, and how you can adjust your plan moving forward. This helps maintain your motivation and keeps you accountable. 5. Nurturing relationships. Don't forget the importance of relationships during this time. Surround yourself with positive, supportive people who uplift you and encourage your growth. These connections are vital for emotional healing. Engage with friends and family, share your experiences, and allow them to support you. Open communication about your feelings can strengthen these bonds and foster deeper connections. Consider joining clubs or groups where you can meet new people. This could be anything from a sports league to a book club or volunteering for a cause you care about. Not only will this expand your social circle, but it will also give you a sense of community and belonging. Building a supportive network is key to navigating the ups and downs of life. 6. Reflecting on the past. Finally, take time to reflect on the past relationship. What did you learn about yourself? What patterns can you identify in your behavior? What can you do differently next time? This process isn't about blame. It's about understanding and growth. Journaling can be an incredibly effective tool here. Write down your thoughts, feelings, and lessons learned. This practice helps you process your emotions and provides clarity on what you want in future relationships. You might also consider seeking feedback from trusted friends or mentors about the relationship. They might offer insights that you hadn't considered, helping you grow and evolve. Additionally, reflect on the positive aspects of the relationship. What did you enjoy? What can you carry forward into your future connections? This balanced reflection will help you approach future relationships with a healthier mindset. Conclusion. Remember, becoming the man she regrets leaving isn't about revenge. It's about self-improvement and personal growth. By embracing stoicism, focusing on your goals, and nurturing your relationships, you'll not only become a better man, but also attract the right people into your life. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on personal growth and motivation. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What steps are you taking to become the best version of yourself? Until next time, keep striving for greatness.